This video, share ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-delete ng violation or alert sa ating main FB and ating FB page. Watch this. Click your Facebook app. Click the three lines on your upper right. Scroll down. Click Health and Support. Click Support Inbox. Ayan. Your alert. Click your alert. So, yan yung mga violation ko or yung alert ko. Click muna natin itong number 1 sa aking main FB. So, yan, see details. So, yan, there are changes to your video because it may contain music owned by someone. The following action were applied to your video because it may contain 1 minute and 44 seconds in audio they own. So, yan, some of your audio was muted, applied in 72 territories. So, yan. This action applied in the following 72 territories. So, yan. Sila yung may own yan. Like, Andorra, Netherlands, Antilles. So, yan. Ang dami. Bahrain, Central African Republic, China, Cuba, Greenland, Cambodia. Yan. So, ang dami. So, 72 territory siya. Ayan. May North Korea, Myanmar, Maldives, South Sudan, Chad, Togo, Timor-Leste, East Timor, ayan, Wall, and Futuna. So, ayan. So, ang dami. Di ba ang dami? Then, continue. Click continue. And then, how does copyright work? In most locations, copyright is legal right that protect original works and authorship. Copyright owners have certain rights under the law, including the rights to stop others from copying or distributing their work or creating new work from it. So, under the Term of Services Community Standard, you can only post content to Facebook that doesn't violate someone else's intellectual property rights. So, click continue. Ayan, how to make sure your content doesn't violate copyright law. So, it's possible to infringe someone else's copyright when you post their content on Facebook, even if you both or download the content. So, recorded the content onto your own recording device. Give credit to those credit owner. Include disclaimer that you need intend to bring copyrights. So, didn't intend to profit from it. Modify the works or added on original materials. And found the content available to the internet so someone else posts it as well. Believe this content is considered fair use. So, yan. So, after nyo mabasa yan, click continue. So, what would you like to do? So, yan. So, may mga options, 3 options. These are the available actions you can take regarding the changes to your video. Number 1, accept changes. You acknowledge these changes and the action will remain applied to your video. Submit dispute. Number 2, you believe you own the right to this content or have permission to use it and want to provide additional details. Number 3, remove video. Remove the video from your post. So, yan. So, pwede kang mamili dyan sa tatlo. Accept changes, submit dispute, remove video. So, click ko yung remove. Ayan. Then, click continue. Ayan. So, delete video. This video will be removed from Facebook, including anywhere it was shared. So, delete video. So, check natin kung nabawasan. Your video was removed. The issue resolved and no further action is needed. Close. So, tingnan natin kung may nabago dun sa aking alert. So, ayan, wala na yung isang video ko yung nauna. So, ayan, 3 na lang siya. Kanina yan, 4 na video yan. So, ayan, nawala na.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.